No King's Day means that we have a quote-unquote president who is behaving like a ruler. He's punishing anybody who speaks up and speaks out against him. He's instilling fear in communities, both inside the White House and in our neighborhoods. And his policies are that of a despot. Everybody.
Pedophiles in the White House! Going whose streets?
Our streets!
Whose streets?
Our streets!
Whose streets?
Our streets!
When the
Today, in the year 2025, in this dangerous moment in American history, our message is exactly the same. No, President Trump, we don't want you or any other king to rule us. Thank you very much, but we will maintain our democratic form of society. We will not move toward authoritarianism in America. We, the people, will rule.
That actually might be the cover.
What brings me here today is I see what's going on in our country, and I'm just appalled by the administration and just everything they are doing and the cowardice of so many Democrats to stop it. And I think that we need to make our voices heard because the people want things done and Chuck Schumer and his cronies do not.
I want to support everybody else that's out here today to show that, we're all in, we have some unity today. But primarily my biggest focus today is ICE. What they're doing is unconstitutional, it's not fair, it's terrorism.
Developments.
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all three just for you. This is First Post Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.